What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys 5 really awesome Cydia alternative applications that allow you to get plus apps, jailbreak apps, apps that are normally from Cydia, jailbreaks themselves, also the hacked games, paid games, or paid apps for free, all that good stuff. So these are 5 of my favorite applications that I like to use. So the first one I got for you guys is called IPA Box. Like I said, these all basically do the same thing. They allow you to get a bunch of different applications that Apple would normally never allow you to get. One annoying thing is they all do have advertisements in them. They are all free, and the developers got to make some money somehow, so they usually all have these kind of annoying ads. But as you can see, we can switch over to these sections here. You have your recently added, you have your tweaked apps. If we go ahead and select on that, as you can see, this is where all the plus applications are, Instagram plus, etc. If we back out here, we have our Cydia applications, apps like Carrier Changer 12, Fileza Jailed, iLive TV. There's just a ton of stuff to find in these applications, and it's always fun to go through and check them out. And like I said, here are some of the jailbreaks: the Rootless jailbreak, the Electra, the Uncover jailbreak, even Yalu is on here as well, Phoenix, Houdini, a bunch of stuff. Next up, we got Cyrus Hub. Now, one thing I do want to mention here really quickly, that I will leave all of the links for all these apps down in the description, and if you can't figure them out, I have actually covered all of them in their own individual tutorials, and I will leave those video tutorial links in the description as well. So if there's any of these that you're curious about and you can't figure out how to install it, I did cover them in previous videos. All the links you guys will need is down in the description. But like I said, this is Cyrus Hub, and this is a really nice one just because it's literally all just on one page. It has a really nice look. It reminds me of how Apple would do it. It's got kind of an app store feel to it. And if you scroll down, as you can see, there's emulators, there's entertainment, you got your social media, your tweaked apps, like I said, the plus kind of style apps, you got other apps. And what's cool with Cyrus Hub is you can even get themes as well. So if you guys want to theme out some of your icons, even though you're not jailbroken, you can actually use Cyrus Hub to do that. As you guys can see, this is what that theme would look like. You can basically change a bunch of the app icons, and they act as kind of a shortcut to open up the application. But it's kind of a cool little tip if you guys want to have a theme on your device. Like I said, this is one of my favorite alternatives. So apparently that section is not working right now. If we go into entertainment, as you can see, here's Bobby Movie. Some of the icons aren't loading. You guys got to remember that these are server based, so sometimes they go through maintenance and stuff like that. So this is Cyrus Hub, and yet another one of my favorites. Next up, we have App Bounty. This isn't included in this list. It is not a Cydia alternative. It is the blue application here. So if we go ahead and launch this, pretty much what App Bounty is it allows you to download free apps, and you can redeem those apps for points, as you guys can see here. So all you got to do, some of them are surveys and stuff like that, some annoying things. Some of them are games and you have to get to a certain level. But like I said, as you scroll down here, as you can see, some of them are just install and open. Literally just install the app from the App Store, open it, run it for 30 seconds, and then you will get that many points. And then if you go into the rewards here, you can redeem those rewards for different gift cards, which is really cool. I have a full in-depth tutorial on how to use App Bounty. If you guys are curious, the link for that is in the description as well. FTOS is definitely one of the best Cydia alternatives just because there is so much that is offered within this application. It's really quite crazy. It's not just applications, it's also a ton of information about iOS, what versions are being signed by Apple. There's also device specs. There's let's just go through a little bit here. You can upgrade to the iOS 12 developer beta from here if you want to, 100% free. You can also block iOS updates if you guys are trying to be jailbroken. You have the signing status of all of the iOS versions there as well. And then it also shows you the latest firmware versions for different devices here. As you can see, the latest version is 12.1.4. If we go into the FT store, this is where you're going to find all of the applications. As you guys can see, here are some of the jailbreak utilities. And then down here are the sections: utilities for iPhone, jailbreak apps, app modded features, which is like plus apps. You have your free paid apps, you have duplicate apps, you have old version apps, and then you have hacked games at the bottom. And another thing that's cool is you can actually change the theme of FTOS. If you don't like the black on purple, you can change it to a whole bunch of different stuff, as you guys can see here. If you like green, you can change it to green. And it's just really cool how FTOS is set up. Definitely one of the best Cydia alternatives there is. Next up is Ignition. I'm sure most of you have heard of Ignition. It's a really good Cydia alternative to get jailbreaks that are pushed out. Ignition is really good about updating the uncovered jailbreak. So if you guys are running the uncovered jailbreak, unfortunately Ignition has the most annoying ads as well. They're so hard to close out of. Sometimes they don't pop up though. It looks like they're not going to pop up this time. But like I said, the uncovered jailbreak, whenever there's an update pushed out by Pwn2Own, Ignition is really good about updating it on their application. So if you guys want the newest version of the iOS 12 jailbreak, Ignition is probably one of the best ones to use. As you can see, we can click on the sections here, and of course, just like all the other apps, you have all apps, you have App Store apps, emulators, entertainment, experimental, games, jailbreak, social, the tweaked apps, unknown, and then utilities. So there's some cool sections down there. This is definitely worth having on your device. This one again is Ignition. And the last Cydia alternative I got for you guys is the OG Tweakbox. This has kind of always been my go-to Cydia alternative application. I just really like the way it's laid out. I like the name, I like the logo, I like the app icon, I like everything about it. We'll just click on accept here. And it's really simple. So let's just close out of the advertisement. You have your home at the top there, which is just some information about the app. And then you have your apps section here. And like I said, incredibly simple. You have your App Store apps, your Tweakbox apps, tweaked apps, and hacked games. If we select on this, as you can see, here are all of the Tweakbox applications. You can get the badges application from here, which allows you to change the color of your notification badges on your apps to any color. I did cover that in a previous video. Got channels. You can also get the jailbreaks from here, GBA for iOS. If we swipe down, somewhere down near the bottom here is the uncovered jailbreak. And Tweakbox is really good about keeping the jailbreaks up to date on here as well. So if we go to the uncovered jailbreak, as you can see, it even shows the version right from the menu. I really do like that. It is on the latest version. I did cover that yesterday, 3.0.0 beta 42 for the uncovered jailbreak. And like I said, there's just a ton of really cool stuff to get from this application. And it's really nice to have a variety of these apps because they don't all offer the same things. Generally, yeah, they have a lot of the same stuff, but there are certain things you can find in some of them that are not available in others. So again, the Tweakbox, a definite must-have on your device. So those are 5 of my favorite Cydia alternative applications. Again, like I said, I'll leave the video tutorial links for those, also the download links, and if you guys are curious on how App Bounty works, the video tutorial is in the description for that as well. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.